why do your customers enjoy doing business with Air Hydropower, and why should they, when they're, they have choices when it comes to selecting distributors? Why do they choose Air Hydropower?
I think one of the biggest things is we care about them. We care about their business and we care about their families. We care about them as individuals as well as corporations. And in this day and age of everybody's in a hurry and click and point and all this stuff, we still have love the belly to belly approach of taking care of a customer, identifying what their needs are, and coming up with a viable solution to improve their processes. And that's what it's all about. And to do that, I mean, that sounds simple, but in all the different arenas of that we're dealing with, it takes a lot of expertise. And that's why we've got a tremendous number of engineers and technical people on staff that know what they're talking about to help assist customers in their quest. Like, for example, in the vision business, we've been in the vision business for 18 years. And it's a blessing that we now have Zebra on board with the diverse products that Zebra has. And Zebra, quite frankly, they understand operations too. You take a look at how Zebra's based and how they started out in printing and different things, but they're looking at factory automation and how to improve both distribution centers and manufacturing with their product offering. It fits right into our company and what we try to do for our customers.